Okay, Malwaisay Domesa Temed El Angim Lamo 420 here on your beautiful island of Palau. Kamamatyang live el al time el nga track and field, Palau National Track and Field. Whether you get el sel Belau Games 2023 opening ceremony. Yes, teman ko excited at kita nga kalma start ng May mo bloob Ling tamo o March ro kuya gero kul team sama o March lo dang nang track and field do mes layang tungka malungil malukura queen up ngila igal al udra track and field malungil lam malukura ngila am three other ngakter el al time so kurang ngarang im tune in el mora EPFM Eco Paradise Facebook page lekal sa em tune in el morsel TMC YouTube channel le el al timing ang multaw ta live sa em lomes ra mama live ra Facebook ma YouTube malmasaw la IOM International Organization of Migration al no civil sponsor tial live al direct kalomengela US Embassy United States Embassy al no civil sponsor tial live so thank you to US Embassy as well as IOM. We are here live at the Track and Field Palau National Track and Field and we are ready for Belau Games 2023 opening ceremony. Lots of excitement. You can see in a lot of people's faces. Everybody is excited for another year of some great games here in your beautiful island of Palau. So if you guys are tuning in, you can tune in on Eco Paradise FM Facebook page as well as TMC YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe and press the like button, especially if you can hear us very clearly. Please make sure to press the like button or the heart button to show us that you can hear clearly. Okay, once again, kita baby rapalun lame, kita balur ay maligal, maldim le kote may maulong kuram lamo ngilayang at malmasaw lar aray malig. Oo, kita lame mla tabda abanderang aray malig. Kita baby rapanderang lame. Era track and field. Ilakal metodology that ilakal diplomatic corps kita Australian ambassador ni Rochelle Turner Lobengela Angel charge the affairs sa United States ni Andrew McLean direkal na metodology kita mo trin malmen musika king lead ngarang again mo komoran mera track and field already lo mo Belau Games 2023 opening ceremony. Marami ko kami live logi wa PWFM 87.9 FM madirektal 1584 AM. Direktal marami ko kami logi wa TMC channel 38 madirektal sa matigal sa channel 30 nga na YouTube. Digo ay sila sa tial live gida el alsil sa logi wa YouTube ra TMC sponsored by US Embassy madirektal IOM International Organization of Migration. Ang direct loldub human rights gender rights kita ko kora le sorry loldub ay direct mal lungila abelawal ko klues ko podo double direct human rights gender rights so kita ko le sponsors tial Belao Games opening ceremony live on TMC channel 38. All right, once again ako man sulang tune in ako raming ilang mo la program ra before the 5 o'clock sa already ro kultoy mo kung kita ko Michael Rodil mo ra stage mo rong statring kay MC na may mo MC el alsil sa Melson Miko yang Arcel Ministry of Human Resource Tourism and Development MHRCTD culture human resource tourism and development. Oo, magaya mo MC gid o gedra tial opening ceremony Belao Games. Dira kalmle o gedra Belao Games sira ay gal previous years. Dira kalmal maduol ukura rocker tial crowd. Emily si ang virtual role athletes el mo partner tial Belao Games 2023. Nilayang mi aramut. Oo, malungil seals el mora blur Belao opening ceremony ra Belao Games 2023. Wayland. Okay. Where's this guy doing this? Okay. Okay, alwaysay ediklut lomaklat kay bekladro ko loren sa kang na EPFM Eco Paradise multaw ta sel Belao Games 2023 opening ceremony ma el altameng close at Dragon Field and ding open el more together adro gulguk sorin me oyeng artial opening ceremony na Belao Games ma umkurang-rang moral me do oyeng artial betol athletes el mo performer tial el Belao Games 2023. Para di rekalot of the tara shout out el mortigel sa lidl nga na Blura Taiwan. Ilalome se Orengs. Tubet sa shout out el mortigel sa lidl. Shinyan Wailao. Sheshye. Takubet sel mora ngwak lel ngar sel vital el blue. Huwag niya kung mga kuraw ng luluko, mga kuraw ng lalwal merbela wal sabihin. Okay, mortigal ko korang sa direct logi wa EPFM Eco Paradise sa sa amil direct ko send a message sa mera messenger EPFM malubin direct sa email message sa mora TMC Facebook page. Kukura leave a comment. Sa amil direct kalme ungel sa video mo messenger na YouTube malubin ungel sa video mo messenger na Facebook page sa Rangel Belaw. Leave a comment kami wiyagi book other siya shout out to kami Moral Adloreng sa Mar Adlomes. Once again Moral ko raw ngilayang the Moral Mera Track and Field and the celebrate the opening ceremony of Belao Games 2023. Okay, once again, malungil litasil sil marabek la adroguy tiral el march el start el march tial el track and field ang Arcel opening ceremony na Belao Games already tir el lomo el march malungil agero kulbulu el part tiang utame tolor tiragi drogul moblob and then nga omo la march. So lado mes crowd at tiragi dar tol mga takle dal mlamet tolor gid dire kal ngatiang ako mesang over there ma dire kal al ringil o dire kal tolor gid ma ambassadors ra gal baby blue ambassador at Taiwan, ambassador Australia, ambassador Miguel dire kal mlamet tolor gid. Once again coming to you live here on EPFM Eco Paradise FM as well as TMC YouTube channel. Okay, tayo kita Team Rabalyas ay maligam lamin mo okot and then ang kita Team Rabalyas ang lamin dito kalmalbato ka other part tatyal Team Rabalyas ang kita Governor dito kaltulor tyal March Governor Norman ginataabot Governor Irai State dito kalmalami tulor tyal March Pelao Games opening ceremony. Alright, tumaumkurang nga rang moral may tulor crowd al sumundag kal apart tatyal batokol al athletes al dire kal ngartial march. Alright, tato mesra temeder el time en 4:37 already lo mura 5 p.m. ito as ito mo umura 5 p.m. hindi di mo yora MC at so kumang mo umura program early. Oo. Sa kita sel arodal mal mo dang sangi al kairal mal maklong ridel mal al alter sel pride tirel al kukngar sel team Irai team Balyas. Oo, matira kalog UETL al parade sel team ra Imali nga alphabetical order mga Imali Irai sida angkaw log URIUL dira kaptokan mo Televira State sa log UETL parade right ako kami live al nga track and field Palau National Track and Field celebrating Belao Games 2023. Okay, meron ko lang wilayang at spy, dam ko lang nga studio. Ooy, tamra lang wilayang at ringi, malo ko ra clear. Ooy, madir tatyal kuran daling. Kam natal gibam ses ula earlier hindi tiagi dal mal clear out tayang at malo ko lang wilayang at al time. Madir tatyal track and field ready mortial opening ceremony ra Belao Games 2023. Okay, and once again, so like kita tell meron ko kami yung live ra EPFM Eco Paradise sa direct ka live ra TMC YouTube channel. Ida President Tergid al lamet Lorgid. Ida lamo do orbita ra sel state ra Irai mang malasya singin ang gila Governor ra Irai State. Say gide, ida adra Irai mal. Ultra pride tir Balyas. Ogi tira ay maliga. Ogi tira anggar. Lumesa senta ang annex. Martial parade. Martial local state. Part Martial Belao Games 2023. Okay, once again here on EPFM Eco Paradise TMC and Palau Wave Radio. Tiga kita maumura program kada mo damay kan mura MC.
Komsisi. Okay, malungil itasil sel merigi darogoy. El alsil sa katangartial track and field. Opening of 14 Belao games. Al June 30th. El Friday, el 2023. Trigaidan athletes el dome sertire temla memeteng el mertial. Si sabal el mera track and field. Ngirturong el alsils. Etiagin el sils el bekel belu amil ngira bekleru rak. El tira metmage amol ol takrisi ela badingir. Matetelela urerir, raigal na mo maregal. El buy, el maklabsay, el mga tmokertir el girel el alsils. Tiagin sel sils, el gida mo o olte, mo o otis, el ngia makreo sa rengar gid. Ar other belaw, el girel abalwam. El alsils, el kamil atlet sa amam tea blumiw. El tiagin el ngia 14th belaw games. Alwaysay, kuling itrarbek laade, nga osingad el budul siya del sisabal. Bodo welcome tirgal athletes rigid. Masel domes el budu sider si sabal tirgal gidro pamtal omrael. Tirgal athletes sel belura belurong arbuns. Distraklol proto. Belurong arbuns ser elal. 14 Belao games. Amo osokol beach volleyball, micro all around, spear fishing. Total athletes are tier 12. Tiragadi 12, hindi tirga mamala 12 el gold. Tiragadi na doon Mr. Tir el marartiang. Engelo pamtalo omrael, el gagarel buy. At James Cadwin, engelo babanderang. At James Cadwin, a silver medalist. Tercera 2021. Raigel kay Badakra Alol. Hanggang 10th grade. Itiang nomere kal Belao Games, ya Blue Ray Maliga, ang ilaya 8 el gold, ma 9 el silver, ma 11 el bronze. Team from Imalik State. Ila sa Luke Thomas and Marcel si Sabal, Trigel do Orel, Namo Redil Metmura Track and Field, Sel Team IRAI. Team IRAI is participating in all sports of archery, athletics, baseball, basketball, mabarebor, makanu, judo, micro all around, softball, spearfishing, swimming, table tennis, volleyball, weightlifting, wrestling. Total athletes, 193. Ngel flag bearer tier, Branson Omacral Giramur, 18 years old, from Ngatkib, IRAI State. Ngaligala Bauso Masuzet. Ngang graduate of Palau High School El Arak. He also archery. And he has been playing archery for the last, since he was 8 years old. IRAI ang ila 16 el gold, ma 14 el silver, ma 11 el bronze. There's a 2021 Belao Games. One more time for athletes from IRAI State. Woo! Good luck, IRAI State. El atrigal do Mr. Tir, el tira do el marmasoisba. At team from Angar State. Tirga nga mo school athletics, basketball, barebor, judo, micro all around, swimming, table tennis, Michael indoor barebor, wrestling. Total athletes 63. Ngel flag bearer, Team Angar State, Kasil, Bohay Thomas. 20 years of age, Kasil, Ngalagraskura PCC, majoring in environmental marine science, and has a passion for sport of volleyball. Ne first join Team Angar sa 2016 Belao Games. Engkay gidralo suko Team Rangayaw and Melmutre Alsils. Hanggang all volunteer for basketball tournament, for Belao Games. Yeah, her goals in life are to become a marine biologist and a better volleyball player. Angaw, tel nomeregal Belao Games, 2021 ang ila 6 el gold, 13 el silver, 8 el bronze. Team Angaw, good luck! Ila tirigal gukto oral mo Mr. Tir. Elmar Masoyes ba? Track and field. Team Hataobe State. Tirigang amo usuko archery, athletics, canoe, micro all around, spear fishing, swimming, table tennis, weightlifting, wrestling. Total athletes, 87. Ingelo bang amdal umraelo basel banderang rablura hata obey. Kazumi Nestor, 14 years old, hanggang swimmer. Sera Belao 2021 games, ingilo 1 el gold, silver, bronze. Hata obey state, tercera 2021 Belao games, ang ila 20 el gold, 15 el silver, Doril bronze. Team Hataobe. Good luck, Team Hataobe. Ilang trigal do Mr. Tirel gora, ubay laigel gora. Akrina kalor ngi marmasois bra track and field. Team Kayang. Team Kayang amo participate archery, baseball, spear fishing, swimming, volleyball. Total athletes are 40. Engelo ba amdal omre lobas el banderang rat Team Kayang Yuri Jose nga members el national swim team. Yuri atilo dra Xavier High School el Arak. Moom teera Balur Belao, el Morsel World Aquatics in Japan this year. Hanggang ngalagela Cherson Jose, Yuko Jose. Sera 2021 Belao Games, Team Kayang, langila 45 el gold, 28 el silver, 14 el bronze, emne rank el 4th place. Team Kayang. Good luck, Team Kayang. Elasel domesel morsel si sabal el metmura trag tagarit tilgel gor obel agora biliar sold out. Tirgang Team Balur Orior. Coror State. Tingay kita Governor Tinilaban Trinil Orsay, Governor Ayos Rudim. Coror State, participate, Traiger Rogul, Toko, el Moringir, al Belao Games, nga archery, athletics, baseball, basketball, beach volleyball, canoe, judo, micro, all around, softball, spear fishing, swimming, table tennis, volleyball, weightlifting, wrestling. Total athletes, 243. Ngelo ba banderang la Team Coror, Scarly Wellas Chisatorngun. Ngang el atleta olumteera Balur Orior, Ercera Belao National Games 2013. And he has medaled in multiple sports since then, including in wrestling, judo, weightlifting, canoe, and athletics. A member of Team Palau in wrestling. Eulum Teera Blur Belao, Tahiti, Turkmenistan. Guam and Morocco. Member of Belao Canoe Club and competed in Micro Cup. He is mentor and coach for Team Koror Wrestling and has been working hard to promote the sport. He will be wrestling for Palau at the Oceania events in Australia in August this year. A Koror Tel Nomarek al 2021 Belao Games ang ilaya 102 el gold, 73 el silver, April bronze, total of 255 medals. Yeah, Koror is the undefeated team at Belao Games. Ladies and gentlemen, Team Koror! Gaya kita speaker, Isaac Lobaptil Omrael, Ersel Team Koror. Good luck, Team Koror. El hace el gusto danga osenge del mebudul tiagi del sistema el metura traque galomesra arngal galobera bakarkar de obas el kora banderang el bakarkar de malamawe beleleu tirige a team Malkayok. A team Malkayok amo participates in archery, athletics, basketball, beach volleyball, canoe, micro all around, table tennis, tennis, barebor. The total athletes tira 89 strong men and women from Malkayok. Flag bearer tira Ton Lomisang, 17 years old, and had a love for sport since he started walking and running. Passion for volleyball and tennis. At age 10, he started playing competitive tennis outside of Palau. Joined the junior national tennis team at the North Pacific Qualifier every year in Guam, Saipan, and Fiji. Ulum teera blura Micronesia, there's a Pacific Oceania Junior Tennis Championships in Fiji. He has been playing for Malkayok in tennis and volleyball since 2016. Instead of 2016 and 2023 English recipient Tercel Tennis Male Athlete of the Year Award. Last year, last Belao Games in 2021, Team Malkayok ang ilo 1 el gold, 5 el silver, 6 el bronze. Team Malkayok. Good luck, Team Malkayok. El hace el rutra mes el budul seguida el metmura track. Este direct lang nga ang alag lobera bakargard. Hindi tirkang sel teamra Team Gerard State. Tirkang amo sa archery, athletics, baseball, basketball, beach volleyball, judo, spearfishing, table tennis, volleyball, indoor, weightlifting, wrestling. Total athletes, the Team Gerard, 103. Trigal flag bearer, the Team Gerard, ang aring niya, Ngirayob Trust Safer Hideos, born July 6, 2010, Palau, Gerard, 8th grader, El Angra Koror Elementary School, will be 8th grade. Ingel Tara, a flag bearer tira, Targong Quilaw Ilebrang. Hanggang senior Palau High School, emo 12 der Telmeral Merak. She is currently on the 2023 IOC Scholarship for Paris 2024 for wrestling. Accomplishment in sports, marali Mr. Bato ka maktimok mo sa SA. 2022 Gerard Beach came first place, junior female beach wrestling, 13 Belao Games, first place, junior female wrestling, 68 kilograms, 13 Belao Games, first place, cadet junior Beach Wrestling 2021-2020 Belao Youth Games Festival. Ladies and gentlemen, Team Gerard! Good luck, Team Gerard. Team Gerard ang ila 12 gold, 6 silver, 15 bronze, sa 2021 Belao Games. Ila tinigay dal morang sartil na mostat talaga Lisia Otorang Ril temal MCC al team sel team Ngaralong. At team Ngaralong am participate sa archery, athletics, baseball, basketball, beach volleyball, judo, micro all around, spear fishing, swimming, table tennis, volleyball, indoor, weightlifting, wrestling. Total athletes, 125. Flag bearer, tiring kaloba banderang. Elboy grangar along is Carl Cisco Flick Agwon. Kaling, Tarangkel, 13 years old. 8th grade, Irai Elementary School. Hobbies ringi fishing, running, basketball, soccer, baseball, judo, wrestling, and all-around athlete. Kaling is a high-energy boy who needs to be moving all of the time. He started learning judo at the age of 4 and has excelled fast and also trained in wrestling. Ang along, ang ila 8 gold, 11 silver, 19 bronze. There's a 2021 Belao Games. Team Ngaralong! Good luck, Team Ngaralong. Ilang trigal buk Thomas Artilo bail atalgel ko. Obang bandera ngartil gora. Yellow mapakarkar del tira marmasois ba. Track and field. Ang daul. Clear nga single mo ang arsep mo ang daul, maktilik mo ang daul ni tira Team Ngartmao. Tira nga mo uskola. Baseball, basketball, beach volleyball, canoe, indoor volleyball. Total athletes, 66. Ang kalobang banderang lobang talomral. Adenio Pedro. Hanggang kong 53 years old today. And Mr. Pedro has repeatedly represented the soul of Angod-ul the day he put on and wore that colorful flag of Ngartmao. Mr. Daniel Pedro has been wearing the flag with pride, courage, and most importantly, with grace, which transcends through every citizen of Ngartmao. A national athlete earning gold and silver in the canoe events and medalist for Ngartmao State in Belao Games. Ang Ngartmao ang ilak kaldel gold, imol silver, trill bronze, there's a 2021 Belao Games. Team Ngartmao, good luck. Elat tinggal mo Mr. Tirel gora obal ay gora stripes el belelew McQueen mga talagel el Orsen marmaso isba na track and field Team Ngatpang. Tirga nga mo participate ra archery, basketball, beach volleyball, judo, micro all around, softball, spear fishing, tennis, volleyball, weightlifting, wrestling. Total athletes ra Team Ngatpang, 84. Ang kalabang kabanderang ra Team Ngatpang, Mr. Jama Ngiralmao, graduate from PCC in 2019, majoring ra small engine. Jama is the PE teacher at Palau High School. 2 times Team Palau member to Micronesian Games in Yap and 2022 Micro Cup in Guam. and defending champ of the 2021 Belao Games, Ngatpang Basketball Team. Tiang nomor al Belao Games ng 2021, ang Ngatpang ang 11 al gold, 5 al silver, 4 al bronze. Team Ngatpang. Good luck. El atrigay del mame sertir el direct el Nobela madal gele ko babanderang artir el Gora Green. El marmaso is para track and field. At Team SR. Tinagang amo usoko la archery, basketball, beach volleyball, judo, micro all around, spear fishing, table tennis, volleyball, wrestling. Total athletes, 96. Ngel flag bearer at Team SR, on top, Ranson Lorenzo. He is 17 years old, student of Emmaus High School, majoring in criminal justice. He enjoys sports and hanging out with friends. He plays basketball and volleyball. Omtab is gold medalist with 3 gold medals from 2019-2021 Belao Games in wrestling. Ang SR ang nila tablol gold, 7 el silver, 4 el bronze. There's a 2021 Belao Games. Team SR. Good luck, Team SR. Elatir kayo na loba, lagi kilakuram, alalamaw. El dome sertire, tamarmaso isba, track and field. At Team Ngaram Langoy. Tirga nga mo sa kola, archery, athletics, baseball, basketball, judo, micro all around, spear fishing, table tennis, volleyball, wrestling. Total athletes, RLL Belao Games, 90. Tiyan nombre kal 2021 Belao Games. Yang ram lungo yang ilaya 4 al gold, 9 el silver, 12 el bronze. Engelo ba matalo umrael at Team ram lungoy, Miss Porciana France, known as Pors. Ano kung da otherwise, pusing kang rang bausoko, ringi, hindi ko mga tmoklar kami yun. Ladies and gentlemen, Team Ngaramlangoy. Good luck, Team Ngaramlangoy. El atira aquí del Oba Selva Cargar del Banderang. El tira a the order cell si Sabale Sois para track and field. A Team Ngiwal. A Team Ngiwal. Amo participate archery, basketball, judo, micro all around, spear fishing, table tennis, weightlifting, wrestling. Total athletes ra Team Ngiwal, 26. En que lobam dalo hombre, lobasel banderang ra Team Ngiwal, Jameson James. Ang ilo a gold, weightlifting, resera 2019. Ang ilo a silver, resera 2021. Presenting Team Ngiwal. Good luck, Team Ngiwal. Ela trigal mo masertir. Ito do orselo ba na igil ko yellow. Yung odar sel banderang algora malama yung anya akora swebal armor ngi Team Pililiw. Team Pililiw amo participate archery, athletics, baseball, basketball, beach volleyball, canoe, judo, micro all around, softball, spear fishing, table tennis, volleyball, weightlifting, wrestling. Total athletes, 205 strong men and women of Pililiw. Ngelobanga Amdalo Omray Lobas Albanderang Cyrus Sally, competing in the sports of weightlifting, canoe, swimming, and basketball. In 2021 Belao Games, Cyrus won 17 medals for the state of Pililiu. Cyrus is a long-time national-level Team Palau athlete. He's represented Palau internationally in the sports of track, swimming, basketball, and weightlifting. Most recently, yung Olympiada Bulur Belao, na 2022 Ercel Pacific Mini Games. Currently, Cyrus is training for the upcoming Pacific Games in Solomon Island. Ladies and gentlemen, Team Pililiu. Team Pililiu ang ilay 44 al gold, 45 al silver, 24 al bronze. Será 2021 Belao Games. And last but not the least, taram si al team. Team Sonsoro! Team Sonsoro mo participate in archery, athletics, basketball, beach volleyball, canoe, judo, micro all around, spear fishing, table tennis, volleyball, weightlifting, and wrestling. I got all sports. Total athletes, 149 strong men and women of Sonsoro. Engelobang Amdalo Omray, Lobas Albanderang Artira, Laisang Zumor. Laisang is a multi-sport athlete. She is a talented in its sports of basketball, volleyball, weightlifting, swimming, triathlon. She excels also in school and loves to compete. Her goal is to be the best in each sport. And her message to everybody, in everything we do, in word and in action, do it in the name of Jesus Christ, giving thanks to God the Father through Christ Jesus. Colossians chapter 3, verse 17. Será 2021, Belao Game, Sonsoro lang nila, 57 al gold, 54 al silver, 28 al bronze, and rank second place at 2021 Belao Games. Sonsoro team! Good luck, Sonsoro team! Test. Matitapos tira, tiligabal tial, tiragal athletes. Maselbol nga yaging ang liroguy. Ebol si Pedal. Lomur tial official ceremony alita sils.
Okay, Malway say again the live nga Palau National Track and Field. Maralo ko kami giwa EPFM Eco Paradise 87.9 program out to el time sa opening ceremony la Belau Games 2023. Direkal sponsor niya IOM International Organization of Migration, ma US Embassy. Man nga sulit el mo sa sponsor tial shorgi del live logi TMC Channel 38. Ma direkal live logi wa EPFM Eco Paradise.
Material athletes, material ongrar athletes. This was the lowest accent me warungudal ngarinya wa Belau Games. A Belau Games a ootik mo sa Belau ay Ilyak Blue. A Bekli Ilyak Blue ang ngaringi Games sertir. Matiyagi di aguk Belau Games sergi dal dongot mok ngaringi Bekli Rurak. E mongot mok ngaringi dal matmura sila Micro Games. E ngara Micro Games el mura igil Regional Games. Igay gidi ang ulman sa bedel mo participate tara igil wa Olympics tara blue ab. Leko dos pe igay gidi Belau Games. Igil baby ratugol gidi dal ngara alsel. Ngoy gidi morsel. Ngiya osnged el tolera blue ab dal ngara wa Olympic. Ado Mr. Arbek athlete sa tokoram lamo maging lir mo urang asulir olingit tertir mo dong ok le mo alalak. Edi so kal ngutal te ale maldi mo isi tel ngiak mal tu ubet selungil ay sel mera blur Belau. Patokor kami amna oy witiang ra simbung. Dik tel mutel mo isi el alsir sak masay tangaringil tigel terul ngalaged. Ngalagel Belau. Tigel do ngek mo sing ngaringia alitat tadira badngir. And Norsel Special Olympics. And naringira Berlin, Germany. Ngaringia Wakago Shishore, Hamilton Teryong. Tirangila bronze. Lol tagor ablur Belau. El athlete ser Belau amlo talor ablul ade ma bronze ra Olympic. Hindi akal dil sa igid. Ngo otid ra ablul ade kwase ngaringi yaungil. El teletelel. Auriora government telol ngase ertirgal bebirgid el ngarnya alit tetrira badangir segid seldul oti rablu ad sera badotobod el mo osokol segid el Special Olympics magdamal odor siya klosaul el mora government rablu Belau ma president tergid mar adra Palau National Olympic Committee metirgar ul ad el tira ngase el gut makli segid lomral el nosab el magatmok na Alwaise medibugu ay sakma ila alsils. Itirgay gid athletes el moma sertir dong okra aset stadium. Tirgal mo usgor el al 14 Belau Games. 1,600 ay disir el athletes. Lomte ay gal tara makalol malbulur Belau. Yaigel niya tara makalol mo sports tira mo usgol ringi tiya mo ngara alser igal maralmel sa sel club say awaigel la madung ngaringi athletics ngaringi archery ngaringi baseball ngaringi basketball el 5 side ma 3 and 3 basketball ma obvious ngaringi judo ngaringi softball ngaringi omingigay ngaringi spear fishing ngarinya micro all around, ngarinya table tennis, ngarinya tennis, ngarinya volleyball, al-all ma al-salablay, ngarinya weightlifting, ma wrestling, maigel guk clay badak ra al-all. Direk ngarinya igel kaldel traditional sports. Lobang galay gagi dal tara makalol mo sports likita mo usgol, hindi swadal mutel el mas micro all around, ma spear fishing, ma-omayus. Seldo meseng ngaringi abgor de leimel dart el badangel aklogol el moltaut el al 14 Belau Games. Ek direk lo mesa ikalo ural ngartiang yang mau ay segedek mo sing ngaringi atal telal ma eimel dart el medals el badol tobod el al 14 Belau Games. Alwaysay, edibak mutyal teal. Edibak syokar tirgal. El mga takled, el tira obangged el ngartiar el alitasils, el tial opening ceremony, Ertial 14th Belao Games. Makadakmal ng tangat, liobang gadal ng artyar ilal Itasils. His Excellency, Surang S. Whips Jr., Presidente Rablu Belao. Direct lobang gadal ng artyang. Atangak, El Che Udu Sangabaw, Vice President Rablu Belao, Direct Minister, Ministry of Justice. Marogul ministers, kaya kita, Minister Chengkin sa nangartyam, kaya direct malawang asulel. Arubugul Belao, direct labang gather el alitasil sa ngaringiya, ang irturong, manurap, mauwariyos, ang artyalo bang gather el alitasil, kumalmasaw la Arubugul Belao. Our Senator sa labang gather ng artyang, Omteera Senate President El Hokons Paules, ang arni atangak Senator Kazuki Taps Sungino, madirek Senator Rugubay Inabom, ngobang gadal ng artyaril Alita Sils, kumalmasaw. Omteera Speaker Sabino Anastasio, ang artyang Delegate Rason Sorol State, Delegate Gibbons, direct loban tiril ng artyang abatokal delegates, kumalmasaw lang. At direct loban ng asulir Governors Association lobang gadal ng artyang Governor Henaro Poloy, elingi Chairman ng Sige del Governors Association ang artyang lobang tiril batokal Governors ang RCA kumalmasaw. Direct lobang gada President Palau National Olympic Committee, el Mr. Frank Kyota, Mr. Rogul Sports Federations, Presidents and Members. Direct labang gada ng artyang Dr. Patrick Talay, President PCC, Chairman Ersel 2025 Pacific Mini Games, el Moringira Blue Belao. Mr. Rogul Organizing Committee Members, Ertiay del Pacific Mini Games. Mr. All State Speakers and Legislatures. Ngaring itirigel tugubet el okya kargid el narablo at Taiwan el Mlay. Ngaring Dr. Cheng, Director General of Sports Administration, Ministry of Education, Taiwan. Professor Alexis Yukumpeng, Professor Sel Shute, University Department of Recreation and Sport. Trigelo Bangged, el ngartiang el Lomteegel Embassy Sertir, ang ngaringi Her Excellency Richelle Turner, Ambassador Ablura Australia Almerbelao, mangartelo Bangged. Direct lo Bangged ang ngartiang Her Excellency Jessica Lee, Ambassador Ablura Taiwan, China, Elmer Ablur Belao. Direct lo Bangged ang ngartiang Honorable James Bonner, Charge Affairs, Embassy United States of America. Ang artialom teera Embassy Blue Rashabal El Merbelao, Charge de Affairs, Ms. Mayu Hakiwara. Direklo rang asulit trigger rogul adala diplomatic corps, el direklo bangkedra el alsils. Direct so adal di mo isir el alsis mga direct lo mangkad ng artyang kel chairperson of this year Belao National Games, Mr. Alon Moses, Matrigero Sports Directors and respective state representatives. All athletes, coaches and officials, volunteers, families and friends and colleagues, welcome to the opening ceremony of the 14th Belao Games. Alway se may badungu tial asmarel tial official ceremony el alita sils el obang lungu mabagulingit Diagon el Christopher Dabangek may belodorsi tial sils.
Tarek Ladal, Kilsubri Botador. Aware ako lulu, edik iwik tira kaya kada balbat sil kwati mo makar gidre elaw game. Tiabo da tigin nga adur chan, chapter 1 verse 2. Makmumu yung wase, dear friend, I am praying that all is well with you and that your body is as healthy as I know your soul is. Let's pray. Ubo be edal Dios il damam nga yang tagi kodong edang temre al siga e maloltang semul e mga kalle mga sulem. Kote edam Dios sa gimal mga sulem raklangan ka kongay. Rekla edam Dios sa milgisi al sils malasi edam Dios sa umilyolt. Ngara ungil belul belumam rebelaw. Ndang langar alam ngar madmam edam Dios magimiru lagi murul e malat keral sigang. Magimaloltang semre nga sulem le kamis kama maungil belumam. Rungil mutiling Rablumam, President mar dal executive branch, President da Senate mas Speaker House of Delegate mar adra ulbil edam Dios, may gerogul medala akabilmente. Saul edam Dios ay gigidel ndir, migit moklaway el alsilso, maging artiamal mrenga sulem, tokubet se mrenga sulem ramal ungil yang da. Kamran Saul edam Dios arang lagay makaldib, ngaria mokte kertir, ay kalmaral meltrul club say. Magol dang se mrenga sulem, tur segi del bau sedam Dios ako tay gimral mena sulem raklang rakmam lisi abad ngamel sa amlo konge yo sokol ay gerogul btingilak lo kumamarangi oling tilo ase bomol no sewe mo sabak le mo kareu ato ko bet sedam bots kama beltigre ngara ko gibom beltigay gringi gibom ka tingel ngel belaw egel ka karusil gimorul bol sa amel mral sobakli emot bokra blumam rebelaw ata kamal masaw level modang sangklem e garungil gimolingit ngarak tel edan ngem Jesus Kristus Elinya dingar etalok sablam. Amen. Saular beklad. Sulang.
Tolmol Melidor, please remain standing for the national anthem. Pukul Technical Athletes, representatives, Nganyawa Victorious Fernando, Benedict Quintaro, Bo Umadip, Machegov, Malbol Biskida, national anthem Rel Al Yitasilso.
Ra
Batang Ok, please be seated. Thank you. Wow. Tamalmasaw, Trigal Athletes, Representatives, Erselia Korakmal, MCC, Litakle, Dar Adar Belaw, Kumalmasaw lang. Alaway sila lang. May botarang si Atangak, el Presidente del Palau National Olympic Committee, el Mr. Frank Chota, el Mamiskid Selngia, welcoming message to Alita Sils. Mr. Frank Chota.
Testing. Msular Adabalyas. Malugili tasil sil beklaf. Era bo deliver sel message ra National Olympic Committee gido rogul May. Ebo kultur gra ataka president tergid. Ma kol yung turong ng tiaro bukul bela ng artiang. Guway siya siyak mo mulu kora adal to kora Amerigel. Tap to kora adal trolgid el dakalo dinge tiginged. Wil basura abolo dinge rogoy. Direk luela gumu la guningit magad mo kadmora alel laklela aluk. Emolot ki Trigel baby rigid namo dibusa drongolet el mamle klo a contribution til bregal balwat pa direct commercial sports movement ra rigid rogoy Marvin Gultiling rigid malul ngasyo rigid ngalngi late el obar drol gra blobli lo arterul senator rigid agitaya mas senator Isaal Madirek el buigra basket ergid Logan Ngiriyo Madirek el Lechendra Yakura Blue Belaw Martin Sogaw Madirek el former delegate Rablu Ngatmaw Madirek el former deputy chief of staff a former president Tabir Musaw Jr. Rablu de Kasole Pakulit di bo the alalak na moment of silence wala bo gumura aldadak. Thank you. Sural Beklav. Distinguished guest, honored guest, excellencies, friends, partners, athletes, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Palau National Olympic Committee and the respective sports federations, we welcome you to the opening ceremony of the 14th Belau Games. We are humbled that you have chosen this day to join us, and we look forward to getting to know you better through sports around us, through sports ideas, platforms, and values. We welcome you and express our deep gratitude to our President, His Excellency, Surang Rips Jr., and of course, the leadership of the Congress, through Senate President Hocons Paules and all the senators, House Speaker Sabino Anastasio and all the delegates, the Council of Chiefs, the governors and the Association of Governors, the speakers and the state legislatures, families, friends at home and abroad. We thank you for your enduring support to our athletes and to the sports in Palau for the well-being and the health of those around us. We hope and we encourage you to always learn as much as you can. Build your networks, forge relationships, and build good character through sports and competitions. It is said that the biggest room in the world is room for improvement, and there's so much more. As you build your knowledge, strengthen your teamwork to add value to your good health, character, not only as Palauans, but also good residents and citizens of this pristine paradise, Palau. Since 2021, in the last Palau Games, many activities have happened. We've seen you grow. You've become better players, athletes, and citizens as well. Not only in sports, but in your schools, and your community, and your sports clubs. And that should continue. Mr. President, myself and the National Olympic Committee, the sports federations of the Republic of Palau, and the athletes take this rare opportunity to congratulate our two Special Olympic World Games participants, Ms. Wakako Sishore of Peleliu State and Mr. Hamilton Turyong of Iray State. Thank you, Ma'am Sulang. As you know, they brought 2 bronze medals home from the Special Olympic Games in Berlin, Germany. We know that sports in Palau is very important and everyone can take part in it. Sports has no borders. I'm also very happy, Mr. President, to recognize and welcome our special guest today, Dr. Chen, Director General of Sports Administration, Ministry of Education, Republic of China, Taiwan. Thank you. And his colleague, Professor Alexis Yi Kun Peng, Professor of Shute University Department of Recreation and Sports. Dr. Chen is visiting us during this game to work with us to see opportunities for more sports exchanges, sports education for our youth and athletes, sports training for athletes, sports medicine, and sports science, including sports tourism, sports exchanges, and sports diplomacy. That's a handful, Dr. Chen. We thank you, Dr. Chen, for visiting us, and we look forward to activate this program and to send our first athletes to training in Taiwan very soon and to prepare them for the Pacific Games in Solomon Islands in November this year. And we hope that those good sports character remain in you and become a foundation of your life as you build it through sports. We challenge all of you athletes to enjoy the games, play it safe, but play it true. And to remember that what it takes to win and to build a good athlete, a good team player, and a good citizen of the Republic. We are always reminded that sports is also outside of the field of play, and the character that you develop and achieve in practice and during games will carry you throughout your life. Your physical health and mental health will have a good balance as you grow and experience you get from the games. And so we humbly recognize and extend our great appreciation to all the state governments, governors, for providing this unique opportunity for all of you and us today, and to have the honor and a place to represent your state, your families, your friends in these Palau National Games. Let me make it clear that without the support of the state, the national government, our families, our sponsors, and our partners, we wouldn't be here today celebrating you as athletes, coaches, and to showcase our sports skills in a fair play at the respective sports you have chosen to participate. And a big shout out to the teamwork of state representatives, Komar Musulang, and the tournament directors. We know that you are all volunteers. So we want to convey and extend our deep gratitude for the time you sacrifice for our athletes. And also to our very own chairman of the Palau Games Organizing Committee, Mr. Alonso Moses. And for his staff that have made these games a successful one. I thank you, parents, friends, and families for your support, the organizers and partners for the trust that we have worked together to make these Palau Games a successful games for you. Komam Sural Beklap.
Malmasaw la Presidente Palau National Olympic Committee, Mr. Frank Chota. Elaang, ikatamorong si atangak el Presidente Gid, el Surang S. Whips Jr., el Momaskid Selingi at Tugubet, el Aldadu, el Girel el Alsils. President Surang el Whips Jr.
Ali. Mal tugubet sel lungil sils. Gira tan mga asula na Dios sertial. Uklo meskid el sils el dia ul. Mga mal ngartilar rogul medirir tabdam ngiwe. Edang okle ese edang ngartial momu urtial. Klayungada ka radrongale dar radar bela rogui. Mago trule bodo susra ngirturong marubugul belal sil lo mengedra elal tutau ayun nakamal dirga milgis oh malungilita sils dirgal mal lungilita sils vice president mar ministers dirgal malungilita sils el morar omtera olbira klulang artiang Senator Sungino ma delegate Kibon sak madingil wase tegit siyan mal maliw dararang miw akora molot kia time la tiang April governors ikatamlo meeting emlari ang oldas wase tiala ade kalse del rulil games di ak madingil wase house maselent amal rireng sa hige lurung ulir our governors. Hindi kami daurang asulir our governors kasi aulan sila ng area games sila alsilsil all 16 states ang artiya. Baby rata meng malbiot tertira digata budget tera executive branch marwa school mo hospital hindi selbol role la games senator inabang hindi marail Aling hindi nga supplemental maral may hindi nga important hospital mas school. Marbla pulis. Hindi katang artira lalsilsel. Lengalakra tal tela el athletes ang artia. I want to let our friends from the diplomatic corps know that the athletes represented here today are almost 10% of our population. You know, I don't think you find that in any other sporting events where almost 10% of the entire country are here and playing today. So, kadamaral, marenga suliw, and we really want to take this opportunity and thank the members of the Diplomatic Corps, and most importantly, our friends from Taiwan that are here today, Dr. Chen and Professor Alexis, for joining us in this opening ceremony. Como hace kita amo host ra Pacific Mini Games ra 2025. El sing November, ikadamora Pacific Games. And hopefully next year in Moria Micronesian Games. Aigar rogul event, adekal siya del participate ni, alakal misisi, arang miu, el black arang miu, el ngaragal klayung adar, rabekal time. Mang ako rin sa luwase, ngari athlete sirti ang artera lal silsil, ako tergi kaya edergi lung ayse. Ako tel di ako sa sel ko truwa ding ang alakra o kol may margil. Ayse? Mang sen baseng inclusive ay games President Kyoto ang maral inclusive. Bekelada participate mang maral may armudol mesa kami rogul athletes ngarar ngayas el mortigem lagi retire mla mamsuka SS ma pensione di continue lo sokol. Ayse? Hindi kami da pretty say. Di kita mengero sa igal games sa dekal sa ngari. Ako trul. Alakar misisi el adrak klol. Magdamang asuliw. El cercle Maria rengar kamiul. El Samariar lom te egablume ang artiar el alsils. Nga sa dalo ase sel dom table wa dan deka ngodong arbab tol waise mom am o id o waise ama o be up truth ndi ngidi dung sel el ngwabe abel wa del mogot waise kita diregal mal dengel wase alak tirigel coaches kami. Alak tirigel adrawum. Oh, ayse. Ako gulger tirigel baby nang crowd raira to set adrawum mak. Oh. Girel waise, girel tia girel rungol team leng. Sel dang araigal klol en tebek ada girel participate including our oyandang. Ayse. Magada girel ngari am sisi oyandang le tirigel ulit al team el mo rungol. Oy. Makamaluk mlamo dekal sa amlo uso lagi ram di oyandang. Oy. Di akmadingel wase trigal governor sel ng artiang dirgol mo lagi makurang sa bertir telamo metla. Len sea all hotel baltiger ring. Kita ngartiang ngaragal games. Esen mga tmok lagal games. Leng ngogi baltiger ring kami mora blumiu. Baltiger ring ara other belaw. المطمع يواسي نجيرة الرطب داود المطمق لايقال جيمز يجي ده مال عمرال واسيا الأرق اللي هذا متوسين رق الجيرة الملكات قرار أرنعياس قرار بلور بلاو يسي أدري المو ينتودر تيجي من أمبوبرا 65 جيرة المرايال كوت البكورة بابل سبادل لو سيجا يجي الرجل تيال دي سؤال لو عايز رواسي تيال ما مسريل التراك فيلد أدري the blara groundbreaking ringi dira kalmo kadamo malapa ringi leng kita umarara tokol wase ngira del invest la tokoras aklay yung adara tokoras sports le tokoras sports malisi arangud ngol sisa krado ureng ngol sisa kra ngamak ngara argit emru urgit mo madul magal ngara aklay yung adara egar rogo ya dospe raklangar gi drabek sils ndiso adro ai sro ase in tia la makla del girela el almra el mel mini games en mali mi se kloludo da bodo ngoy tri. Ngengalak kara elol milyon. Yung mga kataman ba nga sule la President Telay. Ilingiya ko ngayon mong wala arsegi del chairman arsegi del games ra 2025. Aigar rogui, adorul, ilang urtoy na mabaltiga rin ang ligakor kamiw. Mang, adisya del duli ase, kada malmol, yak malmol mo nita, olbira kalulaw, ase dadakal support, ay del maklaw tutorial program na kada manayalo ase, arang aligadan, sisi abadangir. El malaw daray gagi del toy at ukmo ekle dakal bol, loru lagi alingia ukmo malmal abadangir. Lega gido ospera masisi el bulu, am sisi el bulu am ultuir ram sisi el af. Egida ultuir kami waisay. Mang saka di utial teal le mereng asule la PNOC. President Kyoto, Secretary General al Tamangil, marbek la dala PNOC, marbek el tira amo o ambay yung ra legal game. Lagi daw nga sa laktir, hindi ka sa ilong illegal game. Hindi kami da daw nga sulir. Madam Mang ball block karang mew. Do your best. Ako nit malakal mama mo mew, malakal mama imo mew. Oy. Hindi ball block karang mew. Leblong me akot, abela akot, kami akot, koman musulang. Bolo mo legal game marigid.
Malmasaw la Presidente Rigidra igel ni tugubets el Tasils. Ako doon ngitri kami rogul athletes may gigidal togol blamrengs ngal si Ekra sa arong miu blak arong miu. Ertial 14 Belao Games. Alway sir elang yak mo alingitra. Miss UP Miss hanggang Olympian. Hanggang Olympiera Blur Belao. Ersel 2016 Olympic Games eliminating na Rio, Brazil. Kodolingit tingi metrika rogul athletes. Malbologot makli sel oaths of athletes. UB Miss.
Kolingita rogul athletes from the OR. All athletes, please stand and raise your right hand. And please don't repeat after me. Just listen. In the name of all the competitors, I promise that I shall take part in the 2023 Belao National Games, respecting and abiding by the rules which govern them, committing ourselves to a sport without doping and without drugs, in the true spirit of sportsmanship, for the glory of sport and the honor of our teams. Sulang.
Masulang Miss UP Miss Olympian 2016 Olympic Games in Rio, Brazil. Elang yakuk mo ong tira Galay, Mr. Galay Louis, Tournament Director of Baseball, mangguk mo miskid sel oath officials.
Kulingitra rogul tournament directors, mar game officials, coaches, managers, malbol or please. Modar sa right till imo mew. Akti mo manguy undin dia kamo repeat after me. In the name of all judges and officials, I promise that I shall officiate in the 2023 Belao National Games with complete impartiality, respecting and abiding by the rules which govern them in the true spirit of sportsmanship. Oman sulang.
Malmasaw la Mr. Galay Louis, Tournament Director of Baseball. Elang ikatumorong si atangak al Governor Ablurong at pang al Governor Cherchi ER. Niya mo miskin sel gukura tugubet sel tugubet. El message sir governor sa direct mo miskit sa declaration ra game.
Saule MC, thank you too much. Iwaigel namdung al ladung arbek namol adu. Oxiola rumdaswe kita atlik sal adi katboker el alsils. Diakal الجريد المال مدوم مدمي ملغوب تقطعي أبايم داسل واسي سيلبول مريقا جيمس سولان مال جريد مكلا كمان كلا الأدو رأمرين ساولا تالسيق دل نتيان مستر بريسيدنت أمال كلود سيقدر ومداسوا جيل بلام دون الملغو الجريد لا فاندين مالو بنغوت مكلا لا أملو أول نصب المريا بيلاو جيمس أديار أدرا أولبيل لهم الطوق ومداسوا سيلبول تغور أريود humral wasin dia ka adil adi ibol senators mal ubet delegates el mo to kay gelon biu mal ubeng on tida ay gal 16 states el ragire la auspel audo perdire el momura belau games so lang way gel bladung presidenta South Pacific Games amera no morina November South Pacific Games Pacific Games. Irma me presidenta nga minister Mafei. Amlora Solomon Island. Agimlora last 2 weeks ago. Maray Lauro Girel Omot Mukle la Selbulu and most el host a games. Ahumral wasitial ngari Mr. Kyota and na gut mukle Belau Games. Adire the prepare ang ngalged. Matrigel mamadang Lauro Belau Games and most el Monter Belau. El mo participate Shell Games sa November. E dire el malmol el mo participate Micronesian Game next year. Mr. President, taum dasim na mo time el gire da la leaders el modong okle. E gut maklia la malubeng tarateletal gire del hosper ni en gorel sa atora sports el tirgel mo subaril adel mo participate erbelao mo participate Olympic Games neso World Games agire del momaksiri mastrira o maksulir el kumudaw ngara akum daswe iremi ariud adisur bagay gagi de toy a level la sports am namo girel mora gagi del namo girel del compensate termiu om represent ROP Republic of Palau nga ka lugok mo o participate al Belau Games hindi nga rin gel klol adel tara diri mo participate a klor nga ako maral wasim na mo dehal temer e diri gal mal oldub away gigi del toy el wasibol sub edel mal mol participate mal over support ay gagi del sports ra sila blur Belau egal maral mel 10 days bodos pe remi ariud Erol da lakil girel, ausbel adrax, marom, madrol. Bodos pe tel 10 days el micro game Belau games. El sib edel gut maklia crime rate Belau, ra sila 10 days melborio. Akbalon ngit termiu ar athletics sul wasay. Kemiu a future leaders at Belau ratalak lebsay. Giru stop, giru fight against drugs. Akum das true sports. True sports. Akum das yung sabed elwa odol athlete tal magamadil adrax. Hindi ka dili gagid ako otira kalon yet bol sabed like 10 days. El gamiul adrak lugol. Make friends each other. E bodre lead el mo makamad el girel arad el buli arad malubet adel old about baby adel old alak whether kemiu ngartiang bom ambassador sirgid start to spend 10 days and meet each other make friends and compete too ngalinga baby sports na start ikremal ure ngasuli adra PNOC ay nga diakal dim la ko dil happen el shields
ngogi was scheduling rarogul bakpadinga la sports ang blabe akalendel men mutrel ang el akaduk albang rabelaw games dire kal mga tok gida la gel bebir upcoming games dire kal mal mo subudimi war athletics wasay arang lira Cabanos Association ablool do bang kamiu rabek type silver nyange matoko wasay lobos a game alubel postpone la bola ikma makot al el moldiu wasindiak ngirel morngi ngirel del mungu der ariud ngirel del milisi atogora sports ngirel del engorage setir malaka aklakwadra dorongli aktimam tera ka Cabanos Association e malkan consulate review eureng al wasay annex al time el bornya Belao games e dulutem mobtok al participant diaka age limit way game namdo diaka age limit akum da sila sen diaka excuse il gire la 10 days yang ako ngite president mabol subela trigger ko al athletics lo school el mora administrative leave hindi reklongit el mora gel private sector masib electo ba sisi ilba bilngi Mr. President el mot murtil wasay mara adel nga private sector el participate na Belao games madire administratively akum dasyong laong yang once again akbal kan consulate review ak make sure Article 16 el Cabanos adia kaad el mut el momdas el wasay dakhal girel ngari a Belao games gel agumra el wasay gel el Cabanos el dakhal bolso lo so da Belao games adia khad girel ngari ngal akto wala kaling akmal mal amatra Cabanos mal support remi or atra gal 16 state e dire gal malon ngita support remi ngom dire gal mo support mam mo amal gong support gagi dele other olbe lama obis president ko man sulang ngari ya akwa gigrel message il dire del mogut makli el declare a game el mo start even though ngarinya na start a game el your facilities malubing maklem hotel a games ay gedi ka el duulel and din girel malmol and din girel el alsis and girel mo declare a game el mo open so on behalf of the Cabanos Association and games organization organizing committee I take this opportunity to declare a games of 2023 Belao National Games open. May God be with you. May God be with us. Good luck to all athletes, coaches, officials. Play safe, be safe, stay safe. Thank you.
Okay, mal masaula Governor Chirsi Iyar balurong at pang Lunter Governors Association. Elangay tikul ngiter athletes. Marbekla de di bok uy gal tukubet sa lombre ng saulo. Ma reminders alakal mokotbok leng kura tarbasul. Malway say thanks our sponsors and partners ng aring Republic of Palau government, Office of the President, and all the ministers, Rubugul Belao, Council of Chiefs, Olvira Lulao, Senate and House of Delegates, Governors Association, all state teams, state legislatures, state speakers and legislators, United States Embassy, Australia Embassy, Taiwan Embassy, States Government, Palau Public Utility Corporation, Palau National Communication Corporation, Palau National Olympic Committee, Surang and Sons Company, Blue Bay Petroleum, families of athletes, and many partners and sponsors, including all government and non-government offices, agencies, and private businesses, for allowing their staff days off to help participate, officiate, and manage and run the games. All volunteers, thank you very much. And then a reminder to stay healthy and encourage everyone to reduce single-use plastic use. Encourage teams to carry reusable bags, use reusable utensils, and use water bottles, hydro flask, to avoid single-use plastic throughout the games, helping to prevent plastic waste throughout our nation. Reminders to all athletes, you are the heart of this game. Take good care of yourselves. Be good, be healthy, play safe, and play true. Maintain good health. Keep hydrated by drinking a lot of water, and be safe during and after the game. Let's keep our venues clean and safe for our athletes and everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, good night and enjoy the games. Be safe and stay healthy.
Tugubet sa announcement, game ayak Q, ngaramlungoy mga along, 7 o'clock, ay alakap singay. Ngaramlungoy nga along, baseball.
Okay, Malway say domes sa temed el anging malmaltel 606 seguida games la open Alway say la omula Belao Games 2023. Sen moments el anging romesing live ra Facebook page ra Manel Belao. Madirect al YouTube channel ra Eco Paradise. Ma TMC channel 38. Malung ilayang de seguida sound del maral blow yar bek ladro kuya malung ilarang did sunset ko may sabi ko tingala iro regal uniform arbek state son sorol blue ma white ma red seguida baby ram blue direct la yang lak la lilyo direct mal lilyo ako kno yellow el al rap la state ra ong ul kuk adal gela ka uniform de yellow cell color aluok na oo sige kita baby dar ngal maral may marangal ka orior di ako tablu wa color cell flakra orior blue ma yellow almasaw larbek ladro kul no skill pakitial Belao Games 2023. All right. Brale ko kami Logiwa Eco Paradise FM, Madirek Palau Wave Radio, PWFM 89.9. Malmo nila a game in Angle malmo to atin particular game. Rogul State will involve 16 states all involved in this Belao Games 2023. kita nga lakarangat pa nga lukok direct low green, ma white, ma black sa uniform tir. Ayang alman SR low violet sail queen el iro toggle uniform el mura Ichel state nakut makatrit tiral rogul athletes el talor tial Belao Games 2023 Nilayang is me Arangud Belao Games 2023 brought to you by IOM, International Organization of Migration, Madirakal U.S. Embassy, Mlosel Maskitian live feed coming to you from the Palau National Track and Field. Once again, everybody, if you're tuning in to EPFM Eco Paradise, TMC Channel 38, we are at the Palau National Track and Field celebrating the opening ceremony for Belao Games 2023. Lots of great things going on. Everybody in their uniforms, all the states in different uniforms. We got Peleliu in yellow. We got Koror State in blue and yellow. We got Malakoyok in red. And we got Irai also in dark blue. Yeah, all right. There we go. Great job. Coming to you live on EPFM Eco Paradise 87.9 FM, as well as TMC Channel 38 and Palau Wave Radio 89.9. di mulai kayak kita kuklos sa pedal mile ko kamiu logiw tial Eco Paradise FM 87.9 madira ka TMC YouTube channel as well as Eco Paradise Facebook page. If you guys are online, you can hear us clearly. Make sure to press the like button or press the heart. If you're on YouTube, make sure to like and subscribe to TMC. Palau Wave Radio also on the air with us as we celebrate this year's Belao Games. Karo ko yung kita tayo tolyo kita rolong yung lagi kita back to you spy the mga station and we're transition out. DJ Ron Dizzle signing out.
I see them. I see them.